What is up, Facebook, YouTube? Anthony here with Good House Floor Care. I'm out here in Valentine, North Carolina to do an insert. The client's wife had spilled some makeup on the carpet, so I'm gonna install a bonded insert, make it look like it never even happened. What a beautiful area and a beautiful neighborhood. Let me take you guys inside and show you what's going on, so stay tuned. Here goes the Good House Mobile. Alright, here's what we're up against. A little makeup stain. We're gonna make it look like it never even happened, so stay tuned. Alrighty, Facebook, YouTube, here is the after results, like it never even happened. Once again, as always, thanks for watching.